Precautionary measures have been taken by the concerned authorities to maintain law and order. Prime Minister in his address yesterday mentioned that the situation will gradually return to normal, and inconvenience expressed by people in Jammu and Kashmir is very temporary in nature. We already see a sense of calm and normalcy. All newspapers are being published without any disruption. There has been no incident of violence. Food supply have not been affected. Hospitals are operating normally. And as and when we get some update, I think I shall keep all of you posted. At what level it was taken up with the US? I think somebody asked. You see, since the steps were announced, we have reached out to all the countries, and as I said, that we have explained our position. You are aware that the senior officials of the Government of India here in Delhi, they reached out to the ambassadors and envoys and explained our position. The same was done by our envoys and ambassadors and high commissioners in different capitals of the world. And there have been certain, contacts being made at the level of External Affairs Minister as well. It may not be appropriate to kind of get into specifics as to which all calls were made by whom, but I think it is important to understand that we did reach out to all the countries and all the multilateral organizations in this regard. On the statement by Taliban, I think the reaction is the same. I would not like to react to individual statements, but it is clear it is clear that what they tried to kind of project, that there is a linkage between what has happened here and something which is completely unrelated. I think this is not something which has worked. I think that is very evident. It is time for Pakistan, frankly, to accept the reality and stop interfering in internal affairs of other countries. On the review of bilateral arrangements, Reza, you see, it is difficult. As I mentioned, that since the steps being announced are unilateral, we don't know. We don't know. We do hope that Pakistan reconsiders the decision. We do hope that they kind of address the core issues, the main issues. But I am unable to kind of speculate or confirm what all would be covered as part of review of bilateral arrangements. We can only urge them to reconsider those steps which they have announced. बता दिया है कि हमारा पोजीशन क्या है कि ये जो आर्टिकल 370 को लेकर हुआ वो हमारा आंतरिक मामला है, और जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में चेंजेस है वो हमारा सॉवरेन राइट है. पाकिस्तान बिना किसी रोक टोक के, जो हमने कहा था अनइम्पीडेड कॉन्सुलर एक्सेस श्री जाधव को दे, जो ICJ इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस के कंप्लायंस में होगा. हम उनसे लगातार बातचीत कर रहे हैं, हमारे डिप्लोमेटिक चैनल्स ओपन हैं. तो ये मैं जो आपका कहना है कि बंद हो गया है, ये मैं नहीं मानूंगा. और अगर इस पर कोई डेवलपमेंट होती है इस पर आगे, तो हम आपको बताते रहेंगे. लेकिन मैं इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि इस मामले पे, जैसा मैंने पहले भी कहा था, कि मैं इस फोरम के जरिए नहीं जाऊँगा. जो भी इस मामले में हमारी बातचीत होगी, जो हमारे इस मामले में डिस्कशन होगा, वो डिप्लोमेटिक चैनल्स के थ्रू ही होगा और इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू नहीं होगा. ये स्पेकुलेटिव हो गया कि हम क्या करेंगे UN में. मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि वो स्ट्रेटजी मैं डिस्कस नहीं करूँगा. लेकिन जो दूसरा आपका खंड है कि पाकिस्तान ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर वो भारत का अंग है, वो तो हमने कहा भी है, हमारे होम मिनिस्टर ने भी पार्लियामेंट में कहा है. तो उसको मैं क्वालिफाई नहीं करना चाहूँगा उस कमेंट को. बोल रहा हूँ कि जो स्ट्रैटेजी होगा वो ऐसे पब्लिकली शेयर नहीं करते हैं. लेकिन इतना आप जान के रखिए कि जो हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी होगी बहुत ही मजबूत होगी, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि पाकिस्तान के पास ऐसा कोई ग्राउंड है जिसके तहत वो जो हमारा आंतरिक मामला है, जो हमारा सॉवरेन राइट है, उस मामले को वहाँ पर वो उठा सकें. तो जैसे होगा, और ये स्पेकुलेटिव है, देखते हैं किस ढंग से आता है.